Alright, so obviously the first thing you want to do is to drag and drop your video onto Filmora. So this is my video right here. I'm just going to drag this video to Filmora right there. I'm just going to click yes there. And then I'm going to drag and drop this video to my timeline right there. So now guys, as you can see from this video right here, what is happening is that the video has occupied the entire screen. If you're creating a video for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you don't want the video to capture the entire screen. What you want to do is you want to have a specific video that is a vertical video. This is a horizontal video. You don't want to have a horizontal video. YouTube Shorts and TikToks are specifically vertical video. So let's create a vertical video from this horizontal video. The first thing you want to do is you want to come here and go to File on top here. You see where File, click on File, navigate down to Project Settings. You see a Project Setting, click on Project Setting and then come to Aspect Ratio. Right now it is on widescreen, what I call the horizontal framing of the video. We want a vertical video, so we're going to take it from an aspect ratio of 16.2 to an aspect ratio of 9:16. Right now we're going to take it from an aspect ratio of 16:9 to 9:16. So we're going to right click on aspect ratio here, click on the downward arrow here, go to then select 9:16. Leave the resolution the way it is. 1080 by 9020 is okay. Everything else is okay. Then click on OK. If you click on OK, you see it has changed my framing here. So the aspect ratio right now it is 9:16. Okay. But again, most of YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos, their videos are not in this manner. We can make this video look better. We wanted the video to occupy the entire frame of the smartphone that the person is going to watch with. So what do? This is the first step. The next step you want to do is this, and this is very important. So listen up, guys. What you want to do here is you want to make sure that this video covers the entire frame of 9:16 aspect ratio. Okay. So what you want to do is come to this video, right click on it, and then navigate to a place called Crop to Fit. Where it's written Crop to Fit, click on Crop to Fit. When you click on Crop to Fit, you see now the video has fit perfectly on the framing that we want for YouTube Shorts or for TikTok videos, and that's exactly what you want. Now let's say for example that this lady was not exactly at the middle where you want it to be. So if your video is say for example, let me just show you. Now let's say for example our video is in this manner where the person you want to have on the frame is at the ends or is not showing in the middle of the video. So how do you correct that? How do you make sure that this person you want to have on the frame here, on the video here, comes to the middle? This is what you do, guys. You want to come to the video again, then look for the button written crop, or just right click on it and then go to crop and zoom right here. Go to crop and zoom. Then you're going to bring brought to this window where you do cropping and zooming. Then here now you can move this bar the way you want. This is the 16:9 bar that TikTok and YouTube Shorts want. So you can move it to the point where you want it. Okay guys, so I want it right there at the middle. I want the subject to be right in the middle of the video. So I'm going to put that one there, then I'm going to click on OK. Once I click on OK, now you will see that the lady is right in the middle of where we want her to be. The subject is right in the middle right there. So depending on how you want your video is how I'm going to do this. And that is just it, guys. That's how you create YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos using Filmora. Now you can go ahead, of course, and do the normal editing on Filmora. Like for example, you can add text. You can just come right here and click on titles and then add whatever text you want to add on this particular TikTok or YouTube short video. Of course, you want to make sure that those texts lie exactly within this frame. Don't go beyond this frame, otherwise it won't be a YouTube or TikTok video. Finally, of course, you want to make sure that the video is less than 60 seconds. Don't hit the 60-second mark. Make sure it's 59 seconds and below. That is how easy it is, guys, to create YouTube or TikTok videos. YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos.